Did you know your brain hides 2 whole hours from you every single day? That's right, 2 hours of your life gone without you even noticing. But here's the kicker, it's not your fault. It's your brain's sneaky way of saving energy. Stick around, because today, we're diving into the science behind your brain's secret 2-hour blindness and how you can take back control. Let's get into it. Your brain is like a supercomputer, but even supercomputers have limits. To save energy, your brain filters out what it deems unimportant. Think about it. When was the last time you noticed the feeling of your socks on your feet? Exactly. Your brain ignores it to focus on bigger things. But here's the catch. This filtering system isn't perfect. It can make you miss important details or even entire chunks of time. For example, ever driven home and realized you don't remember the trip? That's your brain on autopilot, filtering out the boring stuff. Honestly, if my brain filtered out my awkward moments, I'd be thrilled. But no, it saves those in 4K. But filtering isn't the only reason you're losing time. What if I told you your brain has a built-in distraction mode? Let's talk about that next. Here's a scary stat. The average person gets distracted every 40 seconds. That's right. Every 40 seconds, your brain is pulled away from what you're doing. Whether it's a notification, a random thought, or that sudden urge to check the fridge, we've all been there. These micro-distractions add up. Studies show that it takes 23 minutes to fully refocus after a distraction. Do the math, and you'll see how those tiny interruptions steal hours from your day. Honestly, my brain is like a golden retriever, easily distracted by shiny things. Squirrel. But wait, there's more. What if I told you your brain has a built-in low battery mode? Let's break it down. Your brain isn't a machine, it has peaks and crashes throughout the day. These are tied to your circadian rhythms, your body's internal clock. Ever feel like you're in a fog around 2 p.m.? That's your brain hitting its low point. During these dips, your brain literally zones out to conserve energy. It's like your phone going into power-saving mode, except you can't just plug yourself into a charger. These mental gaps can last for minutes or even hours, leaving you wondering where the time went. If only we could charge our brains like our phones. Imagine plugging in and suddenly becoming Einstein. Sign me up. Now that you know why you're losing time, here's the million-dollar question. How can you get it back? Let's talk solutions. First, embrace single tasking. Focus on one thing at a time, and you'll reduce those micro-distractions. Second, schedule breaks during your low-energy periods. A quick walk or a power nap can reset your brain. Third, practice mindfulness. By training your brain to stay present, you can reduce the time it spends zoning out. And finally, limit notifications. Your brain doesn't need to know every time someone likes your cat meme, unless it's a really cute cat. Then, by all means, drop everything. But here's the real secret. Your brain isn't your enemy. It's just doing its job. The key is understanding how it works and using that knowledge to your advantage. So, there you have it. Your brain's secret 2-hour blindness isn't a flaw. It's a feature. But now that you know how it works, you can take back control of your time. If you found this video eye-opening, you're going to love our next one, where we dive deeper into, is talking to yourself normal? Trust me, it's a game changer. Click the end screen to watch it now. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your brain might miss it, but you won't. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.